Hey there, today I'm gonna be creating some press-on nails with these pre-made nails from SHEIN. I like the quality so far, they're very flexible and cute, and I decided to purchase the ones with the Frenchie because usually the Frenchies are the most time consuming for me. And right now I'm just choosing my sizes and I'm gonna place them on the nail stands. Next, I'm gonna be using primer to prep the nail tips. Since these nail tips are finished already with a shine finish, I need to create some kind of texture, and the primer works very well. This primer is used as well for prepping your natural nails, but I use it for nail tips too. I'm going to let this air dry. Here I was testing one nail with a complete design to see if I liked it, and I do like it, so I'm gonna continue and finish the rest of the nails this way. Next, I'm applying a layer of top coat and curing it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to apply translucent pearly chrome powder. I'm just going to rub it into the nails, and it's gonna look so much better. It's going to improve these nails like a lot. They're looking so much better. Once I finish applying the chrome powder, I'm going to seal the whole powder, the whole chrome powder, with another layer of the top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm gonna be using these Halloween charms. They are so cute. They're all made of metal, and I'm going to place them on the nails, and hopefully they come out cute. So I'm gonna be using Born Pretty rhinestone glue just to place all the charms. This rhinestone glue do leave a sticky layer, and because I did not want to apply another layer of the top coat, I just went ahead at the end after I cured everything for 60 seconds and wiped the nails with alcohol just to remove any stickiness. Going to apply the nails with the sticky tabs for today's video, and this is the final result for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.